How to become a YouTube millionaire. Hello, becoming a YouTube millionaire is a dream for many aspiring YouTubers, but it's not an easy feat to achieve. It takes a combination of several factors to reach that level of success. In this video, we'll explore some of the common strategies that successful YouTubers use to become millionaires. Strategy 1: Consistent and quality content. Creating consistent and high-quality content is essential to building a successful YouTube channel. Here are some strategies that YouTubers use to create consistent and quality content. Plan ahead. Successful YouTubers plan their content in advance, so they always have a clear idea of what videos they will be posting and when. This helps them avoid last-minute content creation and ensures that they have enough time to create high-quality videos. Stick to a schedule. YouTubers who consistently post videos at regular intervals, example, every Tuesday and Thursday, are more likely to build a loyal following. Subscribers know when to expect new content, and this helps build anticipation for each new video. Listen to your audience. Successful YouTubers pay attention to their audience's feedback and incorporate their suggestions and requests into their content. This helps ensure that the content they create is relevant and engaging to their audience. Invest in quality equipment. Creating high-quality videos requires investing in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera, microphone, and lighting. This helps ensure that the videos are visually appealing, easy to hear, and well-lit. Edit your videos. Editing is a critical part of creating quality content. It helps ensure that the video flows smoothly and unnecessary footage is cut out. YouTubers can use editing software to add visual effects, music, and other elements to make their videos more engaging. Be authentic. Authenticity is essential on YouTube. YouTubers who are genuine and authentic in their videos tend to attract a loyal following. This means being honest and transparent with your audience, showing your personality, and not trying to be someone you're not. By consistently creating high-quality content, YouTubers can attract and retain subscribers, which is essential to building a successful YouTube channel. It also helps increase watch time and engagement, which can lead to higher ad revenue and other monetization opportunities. Strategy 2: Diversification of revenue streams. Successful YouTubers often diversify their revenue streams to increase their income and reduce their reliance on ad revenue alone. Here are some ways that YouTubers can diversify their revenue streams. Sponsorships. Sponsorships are a common way for YouTubers to earn money. Companies pay YouTubers to feature their products in their videos or to promote their products through sponsored posts. Merchandise sales. Many YouTubers sell merchandise such as clothing, mugs, or phone cases featuring their brand or logo. This is a great way for YouTubers to earn money while also promoting their brand. Affiliate marketing. YouTubers can earn money by promoting products through affiliate marketing. They can include links to products in the description box of their videos, and if someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the YouTuber earns a commission. Crowdfunding. Some YouTubers use crowdfunding platforms such as Patreon or Kickstarter to earn money from their fans. Fans can make monthly contributions to support their favorite YouTubers' content. Brand deals. YouTubers can partner with brands to create sponsored content. This could include creating a dedicated video for the brand, featuring the brand in a video, or promoting the brand on social media. Licensing. Some YouTubers license their content to other media outlets or platforms, such as television networks, streaming services, or news organizations. By diversifying their revenue streams, YouTubers can increase their income and reduce their reliance on ad revenue alone. This helps them maintain their income even if their ad revenue decreases or if they face other challenges on the platform. It also allows them to monetize their brand in other ways and build a more sustainable business. Strategy 3: Collaborations. Collaborations can be a great way for YouTubers to increase their exposure, reach new audiences, and grow their channels. Here are some ways that YouTubers can collaborate with other creators or brands. Guest appearances. YouTubers can appear on each other's channels as guests to create collaborative content. This could involve creating a new video together or featuring as a guest in an existing series or show. Collaborative projects. YouTubers can also collaborate on a project together, such as creating a short film, music video, or podcast. Collaborating on a larger project can help them leverage each other's skills and resources to create something unique and engaging. Cross-promotion. YouTubers can also cross-promote each other's channels by featuring each other in their videos, social media posts, or other content. This can help them reach new audiences and build their subscriber base. Brand partnerships. YouTubers can also partner with brands to create sponsored content. By collaborating with a brand, they can create content that is aligned with their channel's niche and audience while earning money. Collaborate with non-YouTubers. YouTubers can collaborate with non-YouTubers, such as musicians, artists, or other celebrities, to create unique and engaging content. Collaborations are a great way for YouTubers to create new and exciting content while increasing their exposure and building relationships with other creators or brands. Collaborating can also help YouTubers tap into new audiences and attract new subscribers, leading to more engagement and monetization opportunities. Strategy 4. Social media presence. Having a strong social media presence is essential for YouTubers to build their brand, engage with their audience, and increase their reach. Here are some ways that YouTubers can use social media to promote their channels and grow their following. Promote videos. YouTubers can use social media to promote their new videos by sharing a preview, teaser, or link to their video. This can help drive traffic to their channel and increase views and engagement. Engage with fans. Social media is a great way for YouTubers to engage with their fans and build a community around their channel. They can respond to comments, share behind-the-scenes footage, or host Q&A sessions to connect with their audience. Build their brand. Social media is also a great way for YouTubers to build their brand and promote their personality and content. They can share photos, updates, or other content that highlights their niche, interests, and personality. Collaborate with other creators. YouTubers can also use social media to connect with other creators and collaborate on content. They can use social media to send direct messages, tag other creators in posts, or join online communities to network with other creators. Share affiliate links or sponsorships. YouTubers can also use social media to promote affiliate links or sponsorships. They can share links to products or services they are promoting and earn a commission or payment for each sale or promotion. By building a strong social media presence, YouTubers can increase their reach, engage with their audience, and build their brand. They can also use social media to promote their content and monetize their channel, leading to more revenue and growth opportunities. Strategy 5. Patience and perseverance. Patience and perseverance are critical traits for YouTubers who want to build a successful channel. Here are some ways that these traits can help YouTubers succeed. Consistency. One of the keys to success on YouTube is consistency. YouTubers who upload videos regularly and consistently are more likely to build a loyal following and increase their views and engagement. However, building a consistent posting schedule can take time, and it may take several months or even years before a YouTuber sees significant growth on their channel. Patience is crucial during this period, as it can take time to build a community and attract new viewers. Learning from mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the YouTube journey. However, YouTubers who are patient and persevere through setbacks are more likely to learn from their mistakes and grow their channels. By analyzing their analytics, getting feedback from their audience, and experimenting with new content, YouTubers can identify what works and what doesn't, leading to more growth opportunities. Adapting to changes. YouTube is constantly evolving, and YouTubers who are patient and adaptable are more likely to succeed in the long run. For example, if YouTube changes its algorithm or advertising policies, YouTubers who persevere and adapt to these changes are more likely to maintain their revenue and grow their channels. Overcoming challenges. YouTube can be a challenging platform, and YouTubers who are patient and persevere through these challenges are more likely to succeed. For example, if a YouTuber experiences negative comments, low views, or other setbacks, it's essential to stay motivated and continue creating content. Overcoming these challenges can help build resilience and develop a strong work ethic, which can lead to more growth opportunities in the future. Patience and perseverance are essential for YouTubers who want to build a successful channel. By being consistent, learning from mistakes, adapting to changes, and overcoming challenges, YouTubers can increase their reach, engage with their audience, and monetize their content, leading to more growth opportunities in the future. Strategy 6. Niche focus. Having a niche focus is a critical strategy for YouTubers who want to build a successful channel. Here are some ways that focusing on a niche can help YouTubers succeed. Targeted audience. By focusing on a specific niche, YouTubers can attract a targeted audience that is interested in their content. This can help them build a loyal following and increase engagement on their videos. Expertise. Focusing on a niche allows YouTubers to develop expertise in a specific area, which can help them stand out from other channels and build credibility with their audience. This can lead to more opportunities for collaboration, sponsorships, and other monetization strategies. Differentiation. YouTube is a crowded platform, and focusing on a niche can help YouTubers differentiate themselves from other channels. By creating unique content that caters to a specific audience, YouTubers can stand out and attract more viewers. Monetization. Focusing on a niche can also help YouTubers monetize their content more effectively. By catering to a specific audience, YouTubers can attract sponsors, create niche products, and promote affiliate products that are relevant to their content. Passion. Focusing on a niche allows YouTubers to create content that aligns with their passion and interests. This can help them stay motivated and engaged with their channel, leading to better content and more growth opportunities. Focusing on a niche is a critical strategy for YouTubers who want to build a successful channel. By attracting a targeted audience, developing expertise, differentiating themselves from other channels, monetizing their content effectively, and aligning their content with their passion, YouTubers can increase their reach, engagement, and revenue, leading to more growth opportunities in the future. Overall, becoming a YouTube millionaire requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to creating engaging content that resonates with a target audience. It takes time to build a following, but with the right strategies, it is possible to achieve success on the platform. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.